Hello everyone, this is Logics. In this tutorial we are going to learn on how to install Composer. We know that Laravel uses Composer to manage dependencies, and without wasting time, here is how to install Laravel Composer. So we go to download Composer by going to the Get Composer website.org. So I will paste this. So you go to getcomposer.org, then download. I will leave this on the description, so you check and click on the link to take you to this website. So when you get to this website, you will be able to get these. You can use these scripts on your CMD to get the Composer installed. But I will recommend you download and run composer.exe setup. So you download. So you click on download. It's a very small file and click open. So once you click open, you will install for all users, which is recommended, or you can choose to install it for only me. That is, that only you in your account you can run it. So just go next, don't check this, just go next. You select the directory where we install Xampp. So you go to Xampp, it will automatically select, and then under php.exe, that is where it is going to install the Composer, and then it will check. In my case, it cannot continue. I will get this error because I already installed Composer. But you, in your case, you will not be able to. You will not be able to get this error, so it will continue. So I will recommend that you continue by next until the Composer is installed properly. It is an easy step, so don't worry. So once the Composer is installed, we will set up the Composer by following the installation prompts. You will have to follow the installation prompt just like we have seen and finish the installation. So we need to verify that our installation is correctly installed. So we can open a command prompt and run, or you can use any form of maybe bash. If you have bash, you can run it. If you want CMD, you can run CMD. So let me just search for my CMD, or I can use my git bash. So if you've not installed git bash, you can download git bash and from the Google and then install it. Then you check the Composer by running composer dash version, then enter. So from here you will be able to see that Composer version 2.7 is installed on this system, and it will be telling you the PHP version that is also installed on the Xampp. So after you've done that, we can now start by creating a Laravel project in our next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe, and please select the bell icon so that in future you will be receiving our notification when we upload a new project. Thank you.